po si John Mel Mactal ng BS-IT1N. And ngayon ay susubukan natin pagganahin ang code na ito. So, ang code na ito ay mayroong subtraction, addition, multiplication, and division. Ngayon, itatry naman natin ang multiplication. So, una, mag-input tayo ng unang number. And then, pangalawa. And then, yun ang magiging result. And then, pag gusto natin mag-perform pa ng another operation, press lang natin yung Y. And then, try naman natin yung divide. So, mag-input tayo ng first number. For example, is 10 divided by 2. So, magiging quotient nun ay 5. So, itry natin naman ng minus or subtraction. So, ngayon, itry naman natin ng subtraction. So, input natin yung first number, which is 5. And then, yung second number is 2. So, ang magiging difference ng 5 and 2 is 3. And then, ngayon, itry naman natin yung addition. Press lang natin yung Y. Then, try natin addition. Input natin yung first number, 1, 3. Sagot ay 4. So, pag ayaw na nating gumamit ng kung anumang operation na to, magpe-press lang po tayo ng other key like J, and then yan, tapos na siya.